Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I'll tell you what, the weather, getting a chance to put some plants and I did some gardening. Amazing weekend. I hope you guys got a chance to really enjoy your family and enjoy spending time outdoors and do something, right? I saw some stuff on social media. Thank you guys for sharing in a hashtag BeatC19 and hashtag FDHS Broncos Strong. Thank you guys that put yourselves out there and shared that. That was awesome. I saw some things on social media, and I know you guys were making fun of me for my push-ups over the weekend. That's okay. I'm trying to live a healthy lifestyle. I'm trying to be a positive role model. I've even started meditating, even though my brain never shuts off. I'm trying, right? We're all trying. We're all growing. We're all working together. Special message for you seniors. Listen carefully. We need your pictures. We need to make sure that you have the cap and gown. We need to make sure that you have what you need to be able to represent yourself in this virtual graduation that we're planning and that we're putting together for you. So please reach out to Miss Casey King. Reach out to Lester Diaz, me. Send me a note. I'll be happy to help. Reach out to Mr. Antonio Melton. But this is a huge week for us seniors. A lot of things are due in order for us to do our part behind the scenes and get everything organized and ready to go for this virtual graduation as we wrap up this school year. The last day of the school year is May 27th, but we're asking seniors to finish all of their NTI work by May 15th. So please, that's this week. Do a good job and try to be on task. AP testing starts today. Depending on what subject you have, it may be in the next couple of days. But what I want to say to you guys, thank you for taking on that challenge. Thank you for not dropping dropping out and not doing the AP test. They're allowing us to do the AP test remotely from home, and you can do it on your Chromebooks. And I just want to show how much appreciation and pride I have for you guys that have continued to work hard and take that on. That will mean a whole lot of difference in the future. If you do well on the AP test, which I really hope you do, it'll be good or pay dividends in the future. Very proud that you guys have continued to challenge yourself with that rigorous work. And basically what I want you to think about is, and this goes for everybody, right? The power of positive thinking. If you think you can do something, you probably could. If you think you can't do something, you probably can't. A football coach that I used to work with used to say that you take a 2x4 piece of wood and you lay it on the ground and you ask kids to walk on it, and they can walk on it no problem. You take that same 2x4 piece of lumber and you elevate it up a couple stories, 10, 12 feet, and you ask a kid to walk across that same piece of lumber, that same kid won't do it. And it's all here. It's all in your mind. So what we want to stress is think positive. Think that there is no limits in which you can achieve. Work hard. Finish this school year. Be a lifelong learner and always work to be better tomorrow than you were today. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.